What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Help Coin Home for your crypto repair. I'm Rupert Winkle, and I'm your boss. I hope everyone is having a great day. I know that everyone is looking at the stake coin, watch coin marketplace, cap coin, get past buying and selling view, whatever app you are using to look at the fees of crypto. Folks just keep coming up. Bitcoin looks like 981000000 is coming, whether it happens today or next week. It is slowly rising and making its next move to the top, just like we said it would. The coins on the other side will also start to move up. Solana is fighting and trying to set a new all-time high right now. A lot of people are trying to get XRP to go down and rise up into the .50 band. Cold Arnos on an absolute ripper, Quants on a ripper. An AH bar, it's raising the noise level by almost 200% compared to the 5% of space I've been focusing on a lot on the live shows. H bar was the perfect 10x in crypto. It's far, and the ghosts have even shown a bit better lives here. It's just about 3 cents a day now. Do you know what happened here? Even though it hit 242 or 212.42, some people took gains because they were scared. They took note of the height. It's going to get better. Don't forget, it's a bull run. In a bull cycle, everything goes up, folks. In this show, we'll talk about the most important rumor something is cooking with Goldman Sachs and Ripple and XRP. We're going to look at what Andrew Tate is probably doing this because he is my real Michael seller at a 1-to-1 for all of his Bitcoin purchases. We're going to go back to the XRP chart and talk a bit about bit, but about bitwise without adding more. So sit back and relax. Let's jump into a Bitcoin worth $92,426. It's currently up 0.92% in the last 24 hours of theory, and I'm coming in at 3.147. It's also up 2.24% in USDT and USDC, which are both at their dollar pegs, while XRP is a median lean one green. Come back in 12 cents. I'm so glad we don't have to talk about XRP again. It's been 7 years, and I've been waiting for the second for 7 years. I think we're finally here, parents. I just do general coin markup, 3,134 billion. Where are we going in the next few years? In the next hour and a half to 5 trillion? Where are we going to get that $7 trillion piece of paper once we take a break? I'm in the first class section. Anyone who listens knows that I've been pretty accurate with those forecasts for a while now. Don't you remember that I'm probably cooking up new plans right now? As you can see, the total value of the cryptocurrency market is now $3.1 trillion, and it stayed above $3 trillion yesterday. We were just floating at $2 trillion. As you can see, that looks like how quickly things move in a ball. Right now, NASDAQ is planning to list options on BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. This is the kind of widespread adoption I've been yelling about all along. Slowly but surely, big businesses with lots of money are going to enter the cryptocurrency markets. They'll sell these things in every way possible. If businesses are starting to get in, they might not get in all the way, and I guess that about 30% of them are already in. But if businesses are slowly starting to get in, do you think you studied that we are everywhere by the top? As you may have read, businesses are rushing into cryptocurrency right now and creating all these new funding engines because they think the upside on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general is limited. They're not going in because they know the roof is better. I'm thinking about that now since this is in the first movie today. If you missed the first film, Credible Crypto, he wants XRP to be worth $20 next year. He's telling you that you should be looking at greenbacks between $50 and $2. All I wanted for Christmas was an XRP worth 75 cents. Sinn Fein it was given to us. There are still about 6 weeks left where we need to keep that level. I think we'll keep it up, but remember that I said in my predictions that the better we do this year, the more likely it is that XRP will move into the double-digit area. This is going to be a strong end to the year, and we need to break that all-time high from 2020, which was around $1.90. We gave this channel the name $2. In XRP way, Dr. Farron is like a double espresso cup. I like the sound of that because it reminds me of espresso. The next thing he does is, as shown below, there are supports and barriers in the shape of your new supports. These are the $1.03 and 95 cents that we're protecting above your goals, or more than $1.88, $3.90, and $5.85 You're done. It really is what Dark Protector said would happen. He thinks that this will cross over and happen what he thinks will happen. An interesting case is coming up. That's all I can say. I'm not here to stop everyone from reaching their XRP goals. I'm not here to disagree with everyone. I have my own thoughts on things that will cross that line. After making my short-term forecast, I've been yelling about it since January. We only need to get above 75 cents. I said it would happen in the fourth quarter at the latest around election time, and it did. Now we want to keep this bullish energy going on this push-up. Sean sends us out. This is really exciting. He says there are rumors of a big statement about the partnership between Goldman Sachs, HBR, and XRP. He said that he is busy gathering more proof. Now here's the deal. It says that Sean Ogle is a member of the World Economic Forum. Just recently, there has been a lot of talk about exciting reports that XRP, HBR, and Goldman Sachs might be working together. There's been a lot of talk about a possible blockchain partnership between Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Header co-founder Lehman Barrett. This is likely because of a conversation that happened in the past. Additionally, we've heard Brad talk about Charles Hoskin's states. However, Ripple and Header may also have some ties to each other through Goldman Sachs' role. Still, it hasn't been proven. Yesterday, Bloomberg reported that Goldman Sachs Group is in talks with Ability firms to turn its virtual asset platform into a separate business. This brand new organization might focus on letting big businesses use blockchain technology to trade and settle monetary transactions. Now we're back to the Real Crypto tweet about getting above $20. To get more than $20, you need Goldman Sachs to do something with XRP. Then you can get your $20 worth of XRP. I believe it's that easy to understand that big money drives up the price of XRP. I can't think of any other way to say it. Bitwise is the publicly traded top 10 crypto index fund. It's going to get more and more expensive in this price range, which is where new people who want to learn about crypto but don't know how to buy it can start. You know that they have to go to 4 separate trades to get what they want. Well, you'll see bigger budgets like this one pop up. Uphold already had them, and I said, while Uphold had them, we can start to see this trend now that Bitwise has a top 10 pay interest rate. Andrew Tate, he says he's going to help Michael Saylor by buying $1 million worth of Bitcoin every time Saylor does something. I love it. I hope it's real. If this person starts to like him, that many more Bitcoin will be taken off the market at Eco 101. The cost goes through the roof. I want it to happen. This is Brad Gallagher. He wants to think of a small way to remind you that XRP rose to become the second most valuable digital asset before the SEC decided to get involved. Yeah, so the SEC has been a factor in the price of XRP. People forget about Frankie. Before the SEC got involved in the crypto markets, XRP became the second most valuable digital currency after ETH, but then the SEC got involved and set higher. We think ETH is probably fine, so it went up. Then they sued Ripple, which caused XRP to go down. This isn't always how our government is supposed to work. When we start, the odds are even and we have the same chance of winning. In this case, our government shouldn't be picking winners and losers. We think that in the end we'll win and that will work itself out, but for now it's annoying for the network, and I liked how you put it so well through Brad. Brad, don't worry. XRP is going to get back up there. You may remember that I said ETH would fall out of the top 5 and XRP would return. These are the 5 jobs that hit exchanges this week. I don't know any of them. Take care of your own studies. I just spread the news all over. Biffany BTF's the ZR Z5 ZFI Micro Honda and means